Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install Windows 11 on any PC or laptop from start to finish. If you've never done this before, that's completely fine. I'm going to keep everything simple and walk you through the entire process in a way that's easy to follow. So by the end of this video, you'll be able to do it yourself without any confusion. We're going to start by downloading the official Windows 11 file. Then we'll create a bootable USB, and after that, I'll show you how to actually install Windows and complete the setup properly. If you find this guide helpful, then give it a like. Subscribe to the channel and leave your feedback in comments. So now, let's begin. The first thing you need is the official Windows 11 ISO file. Open your browser and search for Windows 11 ISO download. Then open the official website from Microsoft. Make sure you're on the official site so you don't download anything unsafe. Once the page loads, scroll down until you find the section that says Download Windows 11 Disk Image. From the drop-down menu, select Windows 11 Multi-Edition ISO, then click Confirm. After that, choose your preferred language and confirm it. Finally, click the 64-bit download button and the ISO file will start downloading. The file size is around 7 gigabytes. So depending on your internet speed, it might take some time. Just let it download completely before moving forward. Now, while that's downloading, we also need a small tool that will help us turn our USB into a bootable drive. For this, we'll use Rufus. Go back to your browser and search for Rufus. And open the official website of Rufus. Scroll down and download the latest version available. It's a very small program, so it should download within seconds. Now wait until both downloads finishes. Once both the Windows 11 ISO file and Rufus are ready, go to your Downloads folder and open Rufus. Now plug in your USB flash drive. Make sure it has at least 8 gigabytes of space. And remember that everything on that USB will be erased during this process. As soon as you plug it in, Rufus will automatically detect your USB drive. In the boot selection section, click on Select and choose the Windows 11 ISO file that you downloaded earlier. Leave the image options set to standard Windows installation. Now, you'll see something called Partitions Scheme. If your PC is modern and supports UEFI, which most systems do, you should choose GPT if you're using an older system that runs in legacy mode. Then select MBR instead. If you're not sure which one your system uses, you can quickly check from Disk Management. Open Disk Management. Right-click on your main disk, which is usually Disk 0. Go into Properties, and check the Volumes tab. There, you'll see your partition style. If it's GPT, then choose that. Okay, if you see Master Boot Record, then choose MBR. Just match that inside Rufus. After that, you can give your USB any name you like. Something simple like Windows 11 bootable USB is perfectly fine. Leave all the other settings as they are and click Start. You might see a warning. That's normal for Windows 11 and it's not an error. Rufus may also give you options to remove hardware requirements. If you want to install Windows 11 on unsupported hardware, then you can enable first option here. Then click OK to continue. You'll also get a warning that the USB drive will be formatted. Confirm it. and Rufus will begin creating the bootable USB. This process can take several minutes, so just wait patiently until it says it's complete. Once it's finished, close Rufus. Your Windows 11 bootable USB is now ready. If I open my USB drive, you can see it has successfully converted to bootable USB drive. At this point, you're all set to install Windows 11 on your PC or laptop. Next, we'll boot from this USB and go through the actual installation process. Now that your bootable USB is ready, plug it into the PC or laptop where you want to install Windows 11. Turn the system on, and as soon as it starts powering up, repeatedly press the boot key. But this can vary depending on the brand of your motherboard or laptop. If you're not sure, you can quickly check online by searching your PC model with the words boot menu key. Once the boot menu appears, select your USB flash drive from the list and press enter. Your system will now load the Windows 11 setup. After a few seconds, the Windows setup screen will appear. Here, you'll be asked to choose your language, time and currency format, and keyboard layout. Select the options that match your region, then click Next. Here, choose Install Windows 11. Agree to the terms, and then click Next. At this point, Windows may ask you to enter a product key. If you already have one, you can type it in here. If not, simply click I don't have a product key and continue. You can always activate Windows later. Next, you'll be asked to select the edition of Windows 11 you want to install, such as Home or Pro. Make sure you choose the edition that matches your license. For example, if you previously used Pro, select Windows 11 Pro. After selecting the edition, accept the license terms and continue. Then choose the option that says Custom Install Windows Only. Now you'll see a list of all available drives and partitions on your system. If this PC already had Windows installed before, you'll likely see multiple partitions. Just select each one and click Delete. Keep doing that until you're left with a single annotated space. Once you see annotated space, select it and click Create New Partition. Windows will automatically create the required partitions. After that, choose Biggest Partition and click Next. Finally, Windows installation is ready. Click Install It Will and begin installing. The installation process will now start, and your PC will restart several times. This is completely normal.
After installation finishes, Windows 11 will take you to the initial setup screen. Here, choose your country or region, keyboard layout, and set up other things by following on-screen instructions.
Next, you'll then be asked to sign in with a Microsoft account. Windows 11 has made it necessary to sign in using your Microsoft account. If you have a Microsoft account, then use that. But if you don't have a Microsoft account, then you can skip that in 2 minutes. I will add that video link in description. After that, complete the remaining steps. That's it. That was the complete process of installing Windows 11 from start to finish. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions or run into any issues during installation, drop a comment below. I'll do my best to help you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.